1972. Munich, a group of people sat around a table at BMW. The company had been building good cars until then, but good wasn't enough anymore. The goal was different to conquer the racing circuits. That day, BMW Motorsport GmbH was founded, with just 8 people. And so, the M series began. The first true M car arrived in 1978, the BMW M1. Mid-engined, supercar looks, supercar price. But behind it was a painful story. BMW had initially partnered with Lamborghini. They were going to assemble the M1, but Lamborghini went bankrupt. BMW entered the factory in the middle of the night and took back their own molds. Then they started over with other companies. 453 units were built. If you want to find one today, have $500,000 ready. After that, the M series found its path. The M5 arrived, the mother of the super sedan. The M6 arrived elegant, powerful. Then came the V10-powered M5 with 507 horsepower. Each generation was a step forward. But something was always missing. BMW was the driver's car, but never truly a supercar. The closest they ever got was the 850 CSI. It didn't carry the M name, but it hid the M spirit inside. A 6-liter V12, 375 horsepower. Still not a Ferrari. Still not a Lamborghini. The idea of a supercar never fully died. BMW worked for a time on a hypercar project producing 1,300 horsepower. From a business perspective, it was 99% ready. But market conditions shifted. Demand for electric hypercars priced above 1 million euros was low. The board made the call: stop. Again it stopped. Again it was put on the shelf. In 2025, BMW M Vice President Sylvia Neubauer spoke in an interview. She said BMW M would be releasing small series exclusive models. Something would happen at Villa d'Este. Halo models have a positive effect on the brand, she said. But a supercar? Not yet. There is no active supercar project at either BMW AG or the M division. The car you see in the images, the 2026 BMW M9, is a dream, a concept created by artificial intelligence. It is not real. But this dream is not without foundation. BMW's longing for a supercar has lasted 50 years. From the M1 to today, each generation got a little closer. Maybe one day the gap will close. Maybe that day it will carry the name M9. Would you like to see this car become real?